How to navigate the Soundation interface. First of all, when you launch Soundation by creating a project, the studio view opens by default. At the top left, you will see your project title and the plus add channel button. This is where you begin creating tracks. You can drag samples here to instantly turn them into instrument. Next, the center of the screen is the arrangement view, where the numbers at the top represent your timeline in bars. This is where you arrange loops, audio files, or MIDI clips by dragging them from the sound library or uploading them directly. In the top center, you will find transport controls like pointer, play, stop, cut, loop, record, and tempo settings. You can adjust tempo or time signature from here, and the metronome can be toggled for precise timing. In the middle bottom, you will see the quick instrument bar. This lets you add new instrument, microphone input, virtual keyboards, and more with just one click. Hovering over each icon gives you a tooltip, so you know exactly what you are adding. Moving to the right side of the screen, you will find particle icons for Soundation Music Library, Project List, Export, Help section, and adjusting workspace settings. These help you customize your workflow or find support when needed. Now at the top right corner, you will notice the Share button. Clicking this lets you publish your project or collaborate with others by generating a project link. It's useful for cloud-based teamwork or sharing with your audience directly. And finally, in the bottom right corner, you will see System Usage Stats for CPU and memory. This helps you monitor performance while working on complex projects. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate the Soundation interface. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.